Good morning, Philippines! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. For today's vlog ay hindi ko alam kung saan kami papunta ni Mister. Hindi niya sinasabi sa akin mga day. Kanina pa ito. Kanina ko pa tinatanong kung saan kami papunta. Hindi talaga niya sinasabi mga day. My love! Where we gonna go?
Shopping.
Yay! And where? Secret?
Secret.
Kanina ko pa to tinatanong kung saan. Palagi niyang sagot is secret. Kasi surprise daw niya. Para daw sa aking Christmas gift. Late na Christmas gift. Right, my love? It's a late Christmas gift. Love you.
Love you.
Thank you, my love. Meron akong chika sa inyo mga day. Si Tom talaga, seryoso talaga itong tao. Hindi ito nagiging seryoso nang dahil siya na lang mag-isa sa kanyang buhay. Ever since talaga, seryoso talaga ito siyang tao. Hindi talaga yan pala tawa. Hindi yan siya funny nga guy. Baka na rin kasi nadala na niya ba dahil sa kanyang trabaho na pagiging seryoso sa trabaho. Hello! Nandito ako sa lugar kung saan hindi nyo alam. Charot. Nandoon si Tom sa bumibili ng hook. Hindi na ako sumama kasi isa lang naman ang bibilhin niya. Mag-continue tayo sa ating chika kanina. Si Tom talaga mga day, mahirap talaga itong patawanin. Ganito talaga ito ever since sa kanyang buhay. Kahit pa man nung nandito pa ang kanyang parents at saka relatives, kahit nung buhay pa, ganyan talaga yan siya. Sabi niya, hindi talaga yan siya palatawa. Mahirap talaga yan siya patawanin. Yan yung sabi niya sa akin. Kahit nung bata pa siya, seryoso talaga yan siya. Kahit na hindi yan tumatawa, sinasabi niya yan sa akin every night na blessed siya, nga na punta ako sa buhay niya. Very thankful daw siya sa kanyang buhay, na na-meet daw niya ako. Hindi lang yan siya showy, but magsasabi yan siya sa akin kapag kami na lang dalawa. Baka kasi nadala na rin niya yung nang dahil sa kanyang trabaho ba na very professional, kasi nagdadala kasi yan ng mga maraming tao. Marami yung tauhan na dinadala, yung mga workers. Hindi naman natin ipareho lahat ng tao kasi meron naman, iba-iba naman tayong mga tao. Merong palatawa, merong seryoso, merong moody. Iba-iba naman tayong lahat. Serious looking talaga yan si Tom, kaya mapaghinalaan na lonely or sad siya. Huwag kayong mag-alala dyan, hindi yan siya sad or lonely. Serious looking lang talaga yung mukha niyan. Mapagkamalan na lang ng ibang tao lagi na lonely or sad si Tom kasi super serious ba yung mukha. Ang tao mga day, malalaman mo yan kung sad or lonely kapag palagi yang negative thoughts. Palagi yang may negative thoughts. Like yung mga basher ko dyan. Yan yung masasabi nyo na sad or lonely. Kasi hindi yan sila happy sa kanilang life. If you are hurt, if you feel hurt, then you want to hurt everybody else too. Para lang yung kung nasasaktan ka, gusto mo ring manakit ng ibang tao. Where are we going, my love?
Secret. No, you haven't been there before. That'll give you a clue.
Okay.
You already know it's not Walmart because you've been there.
Yeah. I'm so excited.
You've never been there before.
Really?
If they don't have it there, we'll
I'll
go
go
somewhere else.
Okay. I'm so excited.
Ah!
I'm so excited, my love. Woo! What is that?
We're here.
DSW? Where? Ulta Beauty? DSW?
Yeah.
Ah!
That's it.
DSW di ay mga day. Hindi ko alam kung saan. Ito ba or hindi? Let's see.
We'll see. If it's not here, then you have to go to Sephora.
So I'm right. We'll go there. DSW?
No, that's a shoe store. Not that.
Hala, Ulta di ay. So we're go in Ulta
The
Beauty.
shop.
Wow! Ulta
I don't
Beauty
know
daw
if
kami
they
mga
might
day.
have.
My love, I thought it's DSW. That one.
No.
Dito pala mga day sa Ulta Beauty. Katabi lang sila sa DSW. Dito kami sa Ulta Beauty. Meron ng surprise si Batom sa akin para sa kanyang Christmas gift niya sa akin.
They should have it.
YSL Black Opium.
They're
Wow.
You don't know about it.
Yeah.
This is more
That's
expensive
so
here.
good. Expensive. So we're buying expensive one. Ang daming mga tao dito. Ang babango dito mga day. Pang sosyalan. Hala. Meron pang mga dito. Lancome.
Can you help us find something or not? Dior, Jador? I don't know if you have it.
Yeah. Dior Jador daw sabi nito. Bilhan niya tayo ng perfume mga day. Hi! Sa tingin ko is perfume ang bibilhin niya mo sa akin. Kasi sabi niya, Dior Jador. Meron ding Gucci, Burberry, Valentino, Chanel, Armani, Saint Laurent, Dolce Gabbana, Versace, Burberry. Hala, mga mamahalin man ito mga day. Tingnan niyo mga day, nagtingin-tingin na. Luxury brand man ito. Hala, I am so blessed. Giorgio Armani, Chanel. Hala.
Do you have maybe the picture you can show me?
It's like a bottle that's sort of like, it's a little bit different than the spray. It's more,
Pinapili
They don't
ako
have
nito
it in
mga day kung ano
3.4,
yung
and
gusto
this
ko.
one's-
What do you think, my love?
this one seems less smell.
Yeah.
Less light.
I like
which
the
I
original.
I mean,
I like this, the original. Original Jador ang nagustuhan ko mga day. Iyo, the perfume. What do you think, my love?
What do you want? It's up
Black
to you.
opium or
I
Dior?
like the Dior because it's lighter.
Yeah,
Original.
I like Dior too. It's lighter. It's not really heavy, like a thick in my nose. The black opium is good, but it's too...
It's too much.
Yeah.
Okay, well,
Sa tingin ko mga day, Dior ang bibilhin namin kasi light lang siya ba ang bango niya. Hindi siya super mabango. Light lang ang bango niya. It's up to you.
the
It's
other-
up to you,
I
my
mean,
love.
you can get this same thing.
It's
for-
up to you. It's your Christmas gift.
No, I'm
Nanakit na ang ilong ko mga day. Sa kakasimhot nitong mga ano ba, pabango na to. May suol na ang aking sinus mga day. Parang may-activate ang aking sinus dito. Iba-ibang mga baho.
How about this one? You like that?
Versace?
Yeah.
No? Yeah, for me, I don't need bigger.
Yeah,
I don't
just
need
wanted
big, my love.
That the Dolce Gabbana one. I want to smell it.
Okay, my love. I don't really need a big
I want
one.
you to smell and smell this one. Which one of these was the most popular seller? These two. Are they the same?
No, this one's gonna be the regular purple. This is in
Yeah, try, my love.
Which one is more popular, bigger seller? This,
this one right here.
This is one of your most popular ones. Huh? Smells good. They say it's one of the
It
most
smells
popular.
vintage. Like, yeah.
What do you mean vintage?
Like, dried flowers.
Is this vanilla?
Yeah.
Very good. Smells vintage, my love.
I like this one.
Like a old classy lady.
I don't know.
Ang bango ng ano mga day. Dolce Gabbana. I like the smell.
What size would you want?
Small.
Maybe the small
Yeah,
one.
this one. 1.1
How small is it? What does the size look like?
ounce. Super bango. It smells like mayor mga. I am sure with this Dolce Gabbana. Yeah.
What other one is your best seller here?
I really
The
like this
original,
Dolce
right?
Gabbana. Very elegant mga day. Very elegant. Ang amoy ng ano, Dolce
Gucci
Gabbana.
Floral.
Bright and
Try the
sensual.
Gucci Floral.
Okay.
Take these other ones away.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. You have to do it like that so that you can smell the real.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See how it settles down.
Yeah. No.
No? This one, this is men. This is Miss
Dior. Miss Dior, mga day. Try natin.
All these are women except this?
No. It's common. Common smell.
Yeah.
I like the unique one.
What about Chanel or Armani or...
Okay, let's try Chanel. Try namin ang Chanel. Siya lang ang nag-choose kung ano yung best.
No, madam, what's up?
Try namin ang Chanel.
What?
It smells
No?
sweet.
You like the other one better?
Yeah, I like the other one.
Okay,
Sweet.
here.
It's like fruity.
Yeah.
Fruit.
I like the other one better, I guess. Okay, let me just try
Armani.
the Armani and Marc Jacobs. Just to,
You already
just to
tried
see-
everything, man.
Just to smell the brand. I don't know.
Ang
It's men,
Armani
but it's
naman.
good.
Also, there's nine.
Giorgio Armani. You have to do it like this. Smells like aqua. Like watery,
A
right?
lot more fresh.
Yeah.
What do you think? The
This is good for student.
And one more, I just want to try this, the Marc Jacobs. Have
Okay.
you heard of it?
Yeah.
Okay. One more and then we'll just get the other one if it doesn't work.
Thank you. I-try naman namin
This
ang
is
ano,
very,
Marc
what is this
Jacobs
flavor?
fruit. Yeah. Smells fruit, my love. I don't like. I like
Okay,
the.
we'll just get this one,
Yeah.
right?
The one
Yeah.
ounce.
One
One
ounce.
ounce or?
Yeah.
Okay, 1 ounce.
I'll grab it and I'll leave it up in the front for you guys.
All
Okay.
right, thank you.
Have a great day.
Which one do you want to smell it again?
Ang ganda ng Dolce Gabbana. Super elegant
Can I
yan.
just get
It's
either
like
one?
about the same
Yeah,
smell.
it's just more.
I like this one, the bright and sensual.
This one's just a lot more softer. This one's gonna smell a lot.
heavy.
Maybe I better not get the heavy one. What do you think?
Yeah, I'll get the light.
The light one? Okay, the light one.
Okay, I'll leave it up in the front for you.
All right,
Okay, thank you. Bright and sensual nga Dolce
You
Gabbana ang
like it better
kinuha
than the
namin.
Dior?
Yeah, it's better than the Dior. Kinuha namin is Dolce Gabbana nga bright and sensual. Super ano niya, super addicting niya nga ano perfume. Very elegant lang siya nga perfume ba and classy. Yeah, 1 ounce.
Don't use it like water. I don't want to have too much perfume. I get the line.
It's a lot of people. I don't use a lot of perfume. That's why I want small.
Okay.
Because I don't really use
Okay.
perfume.
So pretty. Beautiful.
Yeah, it's really the same.
Beautiful.
Para na akong bruhilda nito. Parang bruha. Naghahanap ako ng lipstick na yung the same color sa ganito ba. Tapos, i-tryan niya ako ng ano para makita namin kung same color ba. Is that lip gloss?
It's a lip oil.
Para tayong bruha nito mga day. Sa tingin ko, gitry niya ito para makabili ako ng 3 ba. 3 ang kanyang gitry. Naghahanap pa si Batom dito ng
Here's
ano.
one they call rose. Look.
It's not the same. Thank you, my love.
Okay.
For my Christmas gifts. I love you.
Love you.
Tingnan niyo mga day, ang dami kong ano,
You didn't
nabili.
show them the other stuff. The
Yeah, I
lipstick.
will show it to them when we got home. Thank you. Kiss,
Okay.
kiss me.
I don't like the lipstick.
You like the lipstick? Nag-try kasi ako doon sa loob ba. Tapos tingnan nyo, oh. Meron na akong lipstick paglabas. Nag-lipstick ako doon sa loob. Ang laki na naman ng gastos ni Tom ngayon kasi pa-surprise kasi. Kaya napalaki ng gastos. Thank you, my honey.
The better one is
Ayan, Ultra Beauty. Hello mga day. We just finished eating our dinner. Right, Bella?
yeah.
I'm gonna show to you what we got from Ulta Beauty kasi hindi ko napakita sa inyo kanina yung mga pinamili namin. Ito yung mga pinamili namin. Thank you so much, my love.
We all smelled them together, and we like this one the best of all the top of the line companies. We smelled all of the companies, and
Yeah.
we like this one the best.
Yeah. Ito ang nagustuhan namin, Dolce Gabbana.
That store is best sellers, and we tried that one, and it is. We like to smell the best.
Yeah, this is the best.
Top of the line perfumes.
Of all of the luxury brands. that
Yeah,
we
except for Louis
tried.
Vuitton. That company, nobody carries that one unless you go to Louis Vuitton or Saks.
Yeah.
Most stores don't carry that Louis Vuitton one, but we didn't try that one. But they had all the other ones.
Yeah. Smells really good, my love. I really like it. Thank you so much, my love.
Okay.
Ayan. Dolce Gabbana, Devotion.
Made in Italy.
Yeah. Super bango talaga niya. Super classy ang bango ba. Wow! So cute! I just choose small because I don't
Perfume.
use a lot of perfume. Smells so good. Yeah, this one. Right?
Yeah.
Ever since talaga, nung dumating ako dito sa US, hindi naman ako gumagamit ng perfume every day. I didn't use perfume daily. That's why I don't need big. This is good for collection, my love.
Yeah.
Dolce Gabbana. Luxury brand pala ito.
You've heard of it before?
Yeah. This is popular. We tried all of those luxury brands, right? Chanel, George, what do you call it? Armani, Giorgio.
Armani, Dior,
Dior, Versace, YSL, what else?
Gucci.
Gucci, I don't like. The only one that we in love is this one, Dolce Gabbana. This is the best one. This is the best perfume for me.
Well, we like some other ones
Ayan,
too.
so cute.
You like the Dior.
Yeah, the J'adore.
But we picked this one a little bit.
Very good. Thank you, my love, for your
Okay.
Christmas gift.
All right.
Love you.
Love you.
Kiss me. And what else? Bumili din kami nito, vitamin C, Cosrx. Because I just want to get this. I still have a lot of vitamin C, but I just want to get this I want to try this. Kaya nakuha ako nito. What is this?
Eye dropper.
Dropper. I bought this vitamin C 23 serum with hyaluronic acid. Skincare to siya mga day para sa ating face. Do you know what it is already, my love? Vitamin C
Yeah.
for face.
Yeah.
The same as the one that I have. And I got Vitamin C Daily Toner, AHBA. The same brand lang siya sa itong isang Vitamin C Serum, COSRX. Right, my love?
Yeah.
Toner. This is toner, my love.
You already have that, right?
Yeah, I already have this. I just want to try this brand. This is a popular brand. I've heard this many times
In the Philippines?
no, in YouTube. All
Oh.
over the world. This is popular. COSRX. Okay, I will open
the
now.
bottle. I mean the box.
The box. Let's open the box. Ayan! It looks so richy one. My love, richy packaging. Right? It looks expensive toner.
Frosted glass.
Yeah. It looks so expensive. Toner. COSRX ang brand niya. Para meron kayong idea, makabili din kayo nito. Para gumaganda tayong lahat. Para gaganda tayong lahat. And then ito, bumili din ako nito. Lash Serum. Lash Enhancing Serum. Ayan. This one helps my lashes grow. It will make my lashes longer, thicker, and looking. It will take up to 4 to 6 weeks to see results. To see the results. And then next, I bought lipstick because I ran out of my lipstick already. Naubos na ang aking BYS Lip Nectar. Ito ang ginagamit ko always.
This one was called Rose,
Yeah.
but they don't have it anymore. They don't have that color.
Yeah, that's why
So-
we are looking for mostly the same. The color is mostly the same. Ang name ng lipstick na to is Jovia's Place Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick Soil. And they are mostly the same. Ayan. Ang itong old ko na lipstick, naubos na ito. Sa Philippines ko to binili last year. BYS Lip Nectar and the color is rose.
Yeah.
And that's it. Sa Ulta Beauty namin to binili lahat. That's it for today's vlog. Thank you, my love.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for Christmas gift.
Okay. You're welcome.
I'm so happy, my love.
Okay.
I have
Okay.
a perfume collection now, my love.
Yeah. Now you know more about it. You have to be
Yeah.
always look around
Yeah.
other places that have those. We have to be careful on buying any perfume online.
Yeah.
Perfume online is very risky in like
Yeah.
Amazon or Walmart or whatever. A lot of people have problems. Fake.
Better
one is-
buy in the store.
If you buy in the store, it's more trustworthy. You don't have to worry.
I'm so happy of this, my love. Very cute. I bought a small one so that I can buy a lot different kind of variations next time. My love, right?
Yeah. Because this is a small. They have
Yeah.
medium size and larger.
Yeah.
You might want to have a variation of different kinds.
I might get bored of the same smell. So better get a small one so that you will not get bored of the same smell. You can get different kind of variations.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, my love.
Okay.
That's it for today's vlog, my love. Ay, my love. Thank you.
Okay, okay. Okay.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. You say, my love.
Okay. Don't forget to subscribe.
And click the notification bell para updated ka sa ating mga next vlog. Bye!
Hello, it's 11:15 p.m. now here in the evening. At hihinaan natin ang ating boses kasi si Tom natutulog na. Shout out kay Ma'am Mary Ann Varias. Shout out kay Ma'am Jocelyn Hanson. Shout out kay Ma'am Chuna Del Mundo and sa kanyang daughter na si Precious. Shout out kay Ma'am Susan Villasiran and sa Villasiran family and Potestad family. And also sa friends and family ni Ma'am Susan Villasiran. Shout out kay Ma'am Milagros Udin. Shout out kay Ma'am Leah Gacy. Shout out kay Ma'am Belinda Aprosta and Belen and Teresa Aprosta from Gansing, Tacurong City, Mindanao. Shout out kay Ma'am Mr. Hello BG or Ma'am Stacy from Aklan and sa kanyang husband na si Georgie and sa kanyang son nga si Hans. Shout out kay Ma'am Imelda Kiniko from Pinamalayan Oriental, Mindoro, Philippines. Shout out kay Ma'am Elisa Laborte from Davao. Shout out kay Ma'am Gloria Mercado from Quezon City, Manila, Philippines. Shout out kay Ma'am Imelda Kiniko from Pinamalayan Oriental, Mindoro, Philippines. Shout out kay Ma'am Connie Santos from Pampanga. Shout out kay Ma'am Noraline Cuenca and Bong And that's it for today's vlog mga day. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell para updated ka sa ating mga next vlog. Bye!